Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We're almost there. It's almost Valentine's Day and I need help. I got to create something and it's going to work, and I know it's going to work. So if you want to join me on this journey, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment and let me know, because today we're going to make a cocktail called the Love Potion. Now there's love potions out there that get all kinds of numbers, so we're just going to say 2023. Love Potion 2023. So let's get pouring. We're going to start, and I'm going to put in there 1 ounce of vodka. This is a drink to impress, so I'm using Grey Goose. Top shelf on this one, folks. That's going into my shaker. I'm going to use a 1/2 ounce. Once again, quality ingredients, freshly squeezed lemon juice, because we know fresh is best, and only best for that woman in my eye. I'm now going to throw in there 1 ounce of Chambord, top shelf, raspberry liqueur. That's going in there. We want to keep going with the freshness, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put in there fresh raspberries and fresh mint leaves. I've got about 8 berries here and about 10 mint leaves. And now we muddle. Going to break those berries down. We're going to get that minty flavor, the minty oil going in there. That just smells really good, really fresh, really tasty. And now what I have to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of ice. I'm going to put that in my shaker. Give that a great shake. The color on that, the smell on that, it's not getting any better. All we have left to do now is pour. So now what I've got is a champagne flute, and I've had some crushed ice in there to chill it down. Going to dump that ice, and I'm going to pour in there my mixture. And it pours nice and slow because we got the raspberries all muddled up in there. And we're going to get a couple ounces of juice in there. Look at that. Nice red Valentine's. I'm hoping this is going to work. Pretend I got a pop on this. We're going to fill the rest of this with sparkling wine. And that. Look at that. We're going to come in there, we're going to finish it off, we are going to garnish it with 1 raspberry, and that is the Love Potion 2023. I wonder if it'll work.
It looks really good.
It looks really good.
What's Valentine-y?
It looks Valentine.
That doesn't look like a Valentine-y.
Valentine.
Valentine's. Ooh, mint. Yeah, that's different.
Will you be my Valentine?
Why, sure.
It works! It works!
You don't have a
Take
choice.
another one.
Okay.
Thanks, folks. We'll see you next time.
Bye.